Hello guys, so this is another sketch for this afternoon and we are very closely getting near the 100 sketch mark, so yeah, that's awesome. So I'll just get to it. So I have utilised good speed once again, as always, and like the previous ones from today, I have used observational methods. If you'd like to know more about them, please let me know in the comments, or if you'd like a separate video of a really detailed video and me basically showcasing the different methods, please let me know. So number 2 is the closest to the actual reference or the original photo reference. Sorry, I am getting much quicker at the actual sketching. They're either taking between 2.5 to just over 3 minutes now. So each sketch used to take me about 4 minutes, and now, as I said, they're taking far less time. And this is without any rub out lines, or so each line is purposeful, and I don't keep on going over and over and over, essentially making really dark lines. I'm lucky if I have 2 lines where the line should be. So yeah, so the structure, proportions, layout, speed and accuracy is far improving, except this one. The the lip threw me off, so the bottom lip made it bigger. I actually accidentally made it slightly bigger, so that and then made the chin slightly bigger, and it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like that one there, so there is a bit of a difference. But yes, on the whole, it's at least 2 out of 3. It used to be 1 out of 3 were proportionally accurate, and now it's at least 2, sometimes even 3 out of 3. So this method is very much effective, and it creates a really quick feedback loop. Again, if you want to know more, let me know, but it is how I'm becoming more effective and efficient at sketching and the fundamentals of art, which is obviously sketching in the proportions and the layout and structure of the first layer of the drawing. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye!